Binance Exchange. Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading more than 100 cryptocurrencies. Binance is the leading global cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, with users from over 180 countries and regions. Capable of processing more than 1.4 million orders per second, Binance is one of the fastest cryptocurrency trading platforms in the world. Binance branded fiat to crypto exchanges which allow people to buy cryptocurrency using local currencies. Currently Binance supporting Binance Jersey, Binance Uganda, Binance Singapore, Binance DEX. The decentralized exchange developed on top of the Binance chain. Binance DEX based on the peer-to-peer protocol and allows users to exchange crypto assets directly between each other. The main advantage of Binance DEX is the matching system. Binance Coin. Binance issued its own coin called the Binance Coin, with BNB as the symbol. BNB runs natively on Binance chain. The BNB token has multiple forms of utility and powers the Binance ecosystem as its underlying gas. Currently ranked number 7 by market cap among all cryptocurrencies. Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is the exclusive token launch platform for entrepreneurs to bring the most transformative crypto projects to life. With the help of Binance users around the world, projects accepted to launch on Binance Launchpad will have greater access to resources and support from across the Binance ecosystem. Binance Chain. A blockchain software system developed by Binance and the community. It is a community-driven project with developers and contributors from all over the world. On the Binance chain you can send and receive assets, release your own token, burn, mint and freeze tokens, create trading pairs on Binance DEX and trade assets. And most importantly, on the Binance chain basis will be created a new cryptocurrency decentralized exchange, Binance DEX. Binance Research provides professional, data-driven insights and analysis for investors in the crypto space to increase the level of transparency and improve the quality of information within the current crypto ecosystem. Binance Info. A comprehensive and objective information aggregation platform with a compilation of project white papers, industry news, market data, and independent ratings and reports on crypto assets. Binance Academy. An open-access learning hub created by Binance, providing a one-stop center for blockchain and crypto learning resources. Binance Charity Foundation. A not-for-profit organization dedicated to the advancement of blockchain-enabled philanthropy towards achieving global sustainable development. Binance Labs. An infrastructure impact fund and an initiative launched by Binance to incubate, invest in, and empower blockchain and cryptocurrency entrepreneurs, projects, and communities. Trust Wallet. The official wallet of Binance. It is a decentralized mobile wallet application with a clean interface and high level of security. Designed to facilitate the adoption of cryptocurrencies for users with any level of knowledge of blockchain. Buy BNB. Beyonceans are now able to use Visa and MasterCard to buy BNB. Use BNB. Just as Binance approaches its second anniversary, the use cases for BNB have grown to more than 100. To be exact, it's now 120.